Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to Friday Night Gab. And Smudge is up here with me. I wanted y'all to see him. If he'll stay, that is the question. Hey Smudge. He's all wet. I think he's been, all your cats like to do that. They like to get in the bathtub. Not necessarily when the shower is going on. I did have one cat years ago that would get in the shower with me every day. He'd stay like out of the water stream, but he would get in every day. They like to be, they like water to drip and, whatever. Anyway, he's gone already. Anyway, I wanted you to see him, so hopefully you got a quick glimpse. He's doing all right. He's just, this little girl has rocked their world, and not in a good way. So she'll grow up and she'll get calm, and then it'll be, they may not love each other the best, but hopefully they'll get along pretty well, hopefully. So I do have a few things to talk to y'all about. Oh, that just makes me laugh. I wanted to tell you about two channels that are dear ladies. And they are besties. They are best friends. Excuse me. Of course, I always have to have something in my eye. They are best friends. And this is the wonderful thing about it, is they met through YouTube. So Charmaine's Staycation. She is over 950 subscribers. And she has a giveaway going on right now. I'll put her video below. And she is, shooting for 1,000. So if you don't know her, check her out. She's just always in a good mood. Even when she's in a bad mood, she'll say, I'm in a bad mood, and she's bubbly and happy. So she will lift your spirits. If you are not feeling well or in a bad mood, she will lift your spirits. And she does unboxings, and she does other things. She does lots of other things. She and Taylor also. Taylor is close to, she's like 930-ish. So they're both approaching 1,000. And Taylor Marie is her channel name. I've known Taylor a little bit longer. She sort of took a hiatus from her channel and then came back full force. So she does all kinds of things. She does unboxings. She loves Fab Fit Fun. She does some blogging with her her significant other, her boyfriend, and she also does some outfits of the week. So she does it once a week, I believe, but she shows you what she wore, like to work or for casual each day. It's a lot of fun. And she's a plus size lady, so it's nice to see what people are wearing. And, it helps you with your decisions too on what you want to buy and what you might think, is that going to look good on me or whatever. They're both very down to earth, very real. And they met and they have a book club together. So if you like to read, if you want to be a part of their book club, it's an open book club. So go check them out. So I'm just really proud for them because they are just moving along. So Camille is right here in case you didn't see her bump her head up there. I have something interesting to show you. I wanted to try to check things off as I go so I don't forget anything. I ordered a couple things. What else is new from Amazon? It's like, it's not daily, but it's often. So I needed, did this ever happen to y'all? The key fob that goes with the car. It has a battery in it. And the battery is, I guess there might be different for different cars, but it is a flat, the one that I have, very similar to the one that I had in my previous vehicle. It is a round disc, looks like a quarter, so it's flat. So it's not like you can just go into the store and buy it. You have to get it somewhere. So I ordered it on Amazon, and I also, because I knew I've had them before, it comes in a 2-pack, I knew it's a little tiny thing. Just because, how I ordered something else so that they can put them together and ship them. And how they ask you, would you like these to be shipped together, or however they say it, one day, instead of like, you might get something on Monday and they get something on Wednesday. I'm like, yeah, it was not an emergency, put them all together, because I'm not sure that I really need a battery in my key fob. That's another story. So this is what I get in the mail one day this week. I get this giant box, and there is the thing that tells you I'm like, what the heck's in there? Had no idea. And it felt empty. It felt completely empty. And I open it up and there's those bubble tubey things. And under the flap, if I didn't look under the flap, there is my pack of batteries, okay? So I did already put one in my remote. That is what was in this box. That was it. That was it. This box says, this box is now made with less material. Well, how about you could have put this in an envelope and sent it to me? I mean, how much did this cost them to ship it? Because it comes, well, you know, I don't know. It might be, I don't know if it comes in the mail or UPS. I can't remember. But anyway, the other item that I bought came in a, you know, their traditional bag. I mean, their envelope, it's a white bubble mailer with blue, you know, the blue smiley face on it and all, and it says Amazon. This came in that thing. This is heavy, and this can be squashed. I've left it just as it looked. This was just because this was in my suggestions or whatever, you know, like when you're ordering stuff underneath there's, you know, people that bought this, bought that. So people that bought this, bought some sheet masks, or just because I look at sheet masks, they put this down there. So I had never seen this before. This brand is FASCY, Fascy? And it is collagen masks, and it's Korean. So I'm like, all right, well, let's check it out. I think there's 10 in here. All right, the batteries were $2.89. There's 2. So, you know, you've got 2 fobs. So, and then this is $4.13. And I think there's 10 in here. I think so, y'all. 3, yeah, I'll say there's 10 without actually counting them. And look how cute they are. So collagen mask, it's Korean, and it says increased skin elasticity, nourishing, soothing, and hydrating. 100% natural fiber, soybean ferment extract, hydrolyzed collagen, skin/lip total care. So, you know, if it gets on your lips, it's not going to hurt anything. And it's a sheet mask. So since I've got that out, I will, if you want to put an emoji of a piece of fruit. And I will send a couple of these out. I'll pick 3 people, and I'll put them, you know, so they'll go just in the regular mail. So if they get lost, they get lost. But I've never had anyone tell me they got lost. So, okay, how's that? Just 1 piece of fruit's all you need to put in. Just, you know, hey Mary, how are you? Whatever you want to say. And I will send this to, I'll use the comment picker. And if you put a little fruit emoji in your comment, then I may send you a mask. How does that sound? All right. And so I just had to share that with you because the waste. I mean, I could do hours. We could do an hour show right here of the waste. I must say, because I had smudge up here and I just want to get started filming, something in your eyes, love. I didn't say, hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Did I say that? I wanted to ask, how are y'all doing? It's been a busy week for me. It's going toward the end of the month, and the next week's the beginning of the month. I cannot believe it's going to be August. You know, they're already talking about back to school sales and stuff. It's like, what? It's been really hot here. It's hot in Alabama. I mean, that's life. In the summertime, it's hot here. We've had a lot of rain, and now we haven't had any rain. And we also have been having, here and there, we've been having heat advisories, which I just think is so funny because it's already super hot here. So a heat advisory, what difference does it make? Air conditioning is where I'm at. Okay, Camille, you want to show them your face? No. Okay. So, see, then I get thrown off. What were we talking about? All right. I did have 4 orders from the Mega Drop Shop. I've shown you 2 now, and I have 2 more coming. They're not here yet. And I am wondering about what y'all thought of the Mega Drop Shop. I have to say this is the second one that Ipsy is handling, and it's much better than the first one, which was that April, so May, June, July, because it's every 3 months. So August, September, October will be the next one, and then January. So we'll see how October goes. I thought it was better than the first one, so I will give them credit for that. But there was some mistakes in there. Like there was a blush that was $3.50, for example. And then you could get 2 for like $52. It's like, what? You know, so just crazy things like that. They did eventually fix that blush pair. But I did get some things. So, you know, I didn't think I was going to get anything at first. And then I did get some things. So we'll see how it goes. With what I have... a mystery bundle coming, and then I also have they had a 4-pack of the glam bags, which are, you know, $12.99, $13, whatever they are, $1.99 shipping, so $15 a month. 4 of those previous ones, and it was $29.99, so they're $7.50 a piece. So I thought that was a cool thing, so I bought it. So we'll see what's in there. And then I know other people will get that, so I'd like to see what other people get if we all get the same stuff, because you know, when we get a monthly bag, they're not all the same things. But anyway, I'm talking too much. So I wanted to talk to you about that. And then my Stitch Fix, you know, I have the Style Pass, so they will send me out as often as I want without charging me the $20 fee. So when I was putting in my information about the fix that I just recently showed you, I did get the blue blouse and the black blouse, and they said, would you like another fix right away? And we'll waive the fee. It's probably just a, you know, an automated thing. And I was like, sure. Well, I don't know why I did that, because I don't need a fix every week or every 2 weeks. That's going to be too much. I can't afford that, for one thing. And I don't want to love everything and then, you know, not be able to buy it. So I'm getting one because I said yes. So that'll come at the beginning of August. I think it's due like August 2nd or 3rd or something like that. And then I'm gonna let it go to once a month, and we'll see how that goes. Unless I end up needing something, then you can, you know, if you need something, you can ask them for something in particular. So that is that. And I think I told y'all before, I've been having trouble with my shoulder. Age, I guess, you know. Maybe because I don't do a lot of whatever, you know. So this shoulder, so see, it's been bothering me today, so I've been doing some extra stuff, so now it's not bothering me. So I did get this thing from Temu, and it's just a simple thing. If it's something you know how to make, it's just, this is like a straw. It's a rubber, it's a tube. And then this just has a handle on each end, and that's in the middle. It's not even really there, you know, it's not attached to anything really. It's just, this was a couple of dollars or less. I think it was under $2. And it's been wonderful, but I stopped using it. I just, at night, when I finally get to sit down and I watch a little TV, I just was doing little exercises like this 5 or 10, well, like 10 times. And then I do this, you know, about 10 times. And then I do this about 10 times. And if I felt like it, I might, you know, do some more, you know what I mean? And this little cheap thing has really helped me. I just wanted to show that to you because I know a lot of us are seniors, and something inexpensive like that can really help us. And I know that there's a lot of things like that that are expensive out there. So I just want to tell you that. And hey, Smudge. Smudge tried to jump up and he missed. You know, I don't know. I want to say, I didn't want to bring this up at the beginning because I don't want y'all to think that I'm bragging, because I am not bragging. I want to say I hit 500,000 views on my YouTube channel. And it is important to me because I want to have a successful channel. I want to grow. I want y'all to want to watch me. I want y'all to watch me, and I want y'all to want to watch me. And I am proud of it. But it's because of you. It's because of you that I have that. You all are watching me, and that is really exciting for me. 500,000 views. So I'm just excited about that. And I wanted to thank you because I couldn't have that if you guys weren't watching me. So thank you for being here. And I don't know if I've said that lately. Sometimes I go into you know, I'll say it every day and I start crying every time I talk to you guys. But I really, really mean it. Y'all are so, so, so important to me. And you just help me through every day. And I want y'all to know that. And I know that some of you tell me that about me, that I help you through. And not just me, but my subscribers, all of you people that comments. Some people have a hard time, have a lonely time, and they look at our comments and they love the camaraderie. So they want to be a part of that. So thank you all for being here, and thank you all for loving me. And I love y'all too very, very much. And I just wanted to thank you once again. And pretty soon, hopefully sometime soon, I'll be hitting 2,000. I'm going to have a giveaway. I'm trying to get stuff together for that. So I may show that soon. I may, if I can get it together. I just have been so behind on things. I have a few giveaways that have to go out that I think I'm almost caught up. Almost caught up on all my giveaways that have to go out. Sent some out this morning. And yeah, so anyway, I think that's really about it for today. I can't believe it's going to be August, y'all. How is time flying by like this? I know I say this every time I talk to you guys. But yeah, just stay safe. If it's hot by you, which I know it's hot everywhere, so stay safe, stay hydrated, drink, drink, drink. And when I say that, they say don't drink caffeine. So if Coca-Cola is your favorite thing, you're going to have to skip that and drink like Sprite, or I know you're going to say, I don't like Sprite. Well, you can drink your Coca-Cola, but you have to drink some water with it, or Gatorade or something. You know what I mean? You can have your coffee. I still have my coffee in the morning. If you want like tea, you can have tea. You can have decaf tea. You can have decaf coffee. But for the caffeine in drinks can deplete you of your water in your body. The same goes with alcoholic drinks. If you drink wine or beer, people think that a nice cold beer is so refreshing. But I think that, you know, they say that it is good for you. Beer can be good for you. A lot of things about it are good for your gut health. But the alcohol in it, I think does it make us urinate or something so that it depletes your water. I forget exactly what it is about alcohol, but so if you're going to do that, that's why they say people have hangovers. Because if you go drinking, if you have a cocktail and you have water alongside it, you drink a glass of water to every, wine you drink, or every cocktail you drink, or every beer you drink, then you wouldn't necessarily be hungover. I'm not recommending being hungover. So I'm just saying it's important to stay hydrated, because that's why when we're dehydrated, we feel like we're hungover. It's not good. It's not good for it's not good for any part of our bodies. It's not good for our brain. It's not good for our heart. It's not good for our kidneys. So stay hydrated. This heat depletes you. If you go out for any reason, if you're one of these people that have to work outside, God bless you and thank you so much for all that you do for us. But stay hydrated. Okay, that's the end of my soapbox for tonight. And thank y'all for being here. I love y'all. And take care. And I'll talk to you soon. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.